morning, my dear children. I am Nikita ma'am, and today we are going to learn something new. Today we will learn about water vehicles. Before that, we will do a quick recap of land and air vehicles. These are the land vehicles. This is a jeep. This is a train. Next, this is a scooter. This is a car. This is a bus. This is a bicycle. These all are the air vehicles. This is a helicopter. This is a hot air balloon. This is a parachute. This is an aeroplane. And now we will learn about the water vehicles. Water vehicles are the vehicles that are used to travel by water. Water vehicles are used for carrying goods and people from one place to another place. वाटर व्हीकल्स के द्वारा हम लोग सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जा सकते हैं. वाटर व्हीकल्स के द्वारा हम लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. There are many types of water vehicles such as ship, boat, ferry, etc. बहुत सारे प्रकार के वाटर व्हीकल्स होते हैं जैसे कि शिप, बोट और फेरी. This is a ship. A ship is a large boat that can carry goods and passengers for long distances. This is a boat. A boat is a water vehicle that is generally used for fishing and exploration. This is a ferry. Ferry is a water vehicle that carries passengers and goods from one place to another place. You can see water vehicles in sea, ocean, river and lakes. वाटर व्हीकल्स हमें कहाँ कहाँ देखने मिलते हैं? समुद्र में, सागर में, नदी में और तालाब में. Now, children, we will sing a song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now, I will give you the practice worksheets. This is the worksheet. Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a boat. Boat is a water vehicle. You have to color the picture of boat. You can ask your parents to draw the picture or get a printout of it so that you can color it. This is the second worksheet, and in this worksheet you have to circle the vehicles that move on water. You have to identify which vehicle is this, and if it is a water vehicle, then you have to circle the picture. Thank you, kids. Have a nice day.